Hello everyone. Today we will see one more new software of Microsoft, that is Microsoft Yammer. Microsoft Yammer is nothing but MS Office 365 social platform in which you can communicate with everyone in your organization. So this is similar to intranet, but in intranet you cannot share your information, you cannot take like, share and you can say emojis or some compliments from other people. So in communication, this is one more medium available in Office 365. So SharePoint is one communication medium, Team is one communication medium, but these two are only for formal chat, but this is for informal chat. When I am talking about Yammer, Yammer is built to power leadership engagement, corporate communication and knowledge sharing within Office. So why we use Yammer, why we need it in business? Because it share really interesting things. Sometimes some hobbies or some skills of any employee, he just want to share everything with other. He can use any social media like Facebook, but that is not at all lock or that is not at all secured in Office organization. So what you can do is you can allow him to share everything, whatever skill or knowledge, or express everything whatever he have in his mind, but just by using a secured social network known as Yammer. So role of Yammer in every social office or social organization is you can use it as a social platform. You can make polls or you can store files. Generally when you say store file, then OneDrive is personal storage, Team is for department storage, and this Yammer is for social service or social network. So you can use it for announcement, or you can congrats anyone for his teamwork. Say for example, any salesperson has achieved some new target, you want to publish that to everyone in the office, no matter he is worker or CEO. You can publish this on this platform. So this is private social platform, but that is similar to intranet. That means private is within organization. You cannot use this platform as public domain. So in this way you can publish any activity, social activity which is done by your office or organization or company, just to understand everyone that our social responsibilities with the society, we are taking role of that by using some social activity, and you can publish that all on one platform which is within organization. So everyone in your company will be aware about it. No matter you are using desktop or mobile, you can easily use Yammer. So formal work and formal chat is available in Microsoft Teams, and informal work and informal chat within organization is available in Yammer. So we have three options to communicate. First is Team, that we already know, that is for interact, project, call, chat within the formal department. Then socialize is always for Yammer. You can connect with anyone in the company and you can just discuss, you can share, you can like the comment, you can post your any design, or you can post your any activity, or you can arrange any competition within that particular site. But broadcast is again formal, just to communicate and share news and information. So now we will see one video of Microsoft which will going to guide you that what new you have in Yammer, and we will start learning Yammer as well as we will start using Yammer just to enjoy the social life within organization. Thank you.
The new Yammer connects people across the organization, enabling you to build communities, share knowledge, and engage employees. Communities break down barriers to bring people together wherever they are and however they work. Communities connect knowledge across teams and departments. You can use Yammer to ask questions, loop in experts, and flag best answers. Leaders can use Yammer to drive culture and align the organization. Host company-wide events with live and on-demand video to share vision, celebrate progress, gather feedback, and spark engagement. Communicate with the entire organization or specific communities. Share updates, polls, links, and even videos. Need to land an important message? Post and pin announcements to notify people on their mobile devices and in their inbox. The new Yammer comes to you on web, mobile, and in the apps you use every day, like Outlook, SharePoint, and Microsoft Teams. And as part of Microsoft 365, you're protected with enterprise-grade security and compliance. Yammer keeps your finger on the pulse of what's happening and lets you share what's happening to you. From the top floor to the shop floor, Yammer gives everyone a voice and a place to share, listen, and to learn. Whether you're onboarding a new employee, crowdsourcing the next big idea, or responding to customer needs, the new Yammer connects people to people so everyone can achieve more together. Communities, knowledge, engagement. Yammer.
Did you find this video helpful? Then like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.